Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Snapchat memories to save your snaps safely so you can view them anytime. Open Snapchat and then go to memories. This is where all your saved snaps live. Take a snap or select an existing one, then tap on the save icon down arrow at bottom left. Your snap will be now saved to memories. To view your saved snaps, just swipe up on the camera to open memories. Then from here you can replay, edit or share your snaps wherever you want. If also you want the snap on your phone, tap export save to camera roll. This way your snap is both saved to memories and gallery. And that's it. Using Snapchat is a great way to never lose your snaps. Like, subscribe and check out my other Snapchat tutorials for more tips. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next